if you want to know how to use Forge and be able to go forward, so all you got to do is go ahead and click Start Free Download. This should pop up, and now all you got to do is click on it. Just click Yes, and click Install. So from here, it will do the installing Java once this is done, which only should take a couple seconds. So, you have successfully installed Java. You click Close, this is good. Now, you go to the next link, which is Minecraft Forge. Now, let's say we have a 1.15. All you gotta do is click 1.15.2, 1.15.1, or 1.15, depending on what the server uses. However, my server uses 1.12.2 because there's a lot more in it. So you just click on 1.12.2 and it instantly brings you here. So all you got to do is click Installer on Download Recommended, and it should bring you to this page. This page is now for them to make money off of what you're doing. It's just so they can keep the website going, keep the development going. It's always good to help out. So from there, all you do is you click Skip, and then Keep, and then from there you go ahead and once this is done, you just click on it, and then this should pop up. If this does not pop up, okay, let's say it didn't just pop up and it popped up with an error. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to go ahead, click the next link, which is jar fix. That's only if that issue persists. So you go ahead and you click yes. Boom. This will show up. That means it's done. So now, if you technically go ahead and you go back to downloads, let's say you had that issue and now you go back to Forge. Double click, install client, and successfully installed the client profile for version 12.2. So now, if we go ahead and we're like, all right, so cool. Go to Minecraft, you open it up, bada bing, bada boom. Now there should be a little Forge thing here. Should have that little symbol. It should be different from the rest. So, that being said, you go to the Forge. You go here. Go edit. Now, let's say it was for your friend's server. It doesn't really matter on the name. You can name it however you want. Let's just say, I do mine because it's for Kingdom Roleplay. Do Kingdom. Oh, didn't spell that right. Roleplay. There we go. Now, we want to save that. So, you want to also go into here, your little folder here. You go to Documents. Now, let's say we go to ahead and we're like, all right, we don't have the little Minecraft in our documents. What are you talking about, Basin? So, what you want to do is you click New folder, and you type in Minecraft. And then you just hit Enter. But because I have it, there's no need for me to do that. So, let's say I just did that. Okay, there's not going to be anything in there right off the bat. Let's say Kingdom Forge. I go ahead and I make that file. Let's just say this doesn't exist. I'm going to go ahead, just for the sake of fixing it, I'm going to delete it. So, there's nothing in. I just made Minecraft, and now I made Kingdom Forge. So, what we're going to want to do from here is we go ahead and minimize this. We go ahead and we're like, okay, edit. Now we want the game directory. We want that in that place. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, this PC. Then you go to Documents. Then from Documents, you go to Minecraft. Then you go to Kingdom Forge. And then you just click OK. And then you click More Options. I'm going to have the full argument you're going to need in there for you. I, however, have it on the side. And this will help you. So, from here, you click Save. And then, now, what you're going to want to do is reopen that file. Click New, Folder, and then Mods. All lowercase. You have to make sure that it says Mods in all lowercase. So, from here, let's say I go ahead and I'm like, all right, well, I want to go to Cursed Forge. Let's look it up. Cursed Forge, we go to Minecraft. And I'll have a link in here so you can go ahead and look at mod packs. Let's say we wanted to mod. Let's go to the mods. Let's go to just enough items. Let's say we wanted this with all of the nice UI and everything. We click download, and then from there it counts down so you can see the ads and everything and whatnot. So from here you click keep. Now from here, what you're gonna do, you take this and you drop it in there. And now it should work. Let's say that had a dependency. It will tell you. So let's go ahead and we take a look, see if it's in. So while it starts, it makes all the new files and everything in here. So this is the new directory, resource packs, and everything. It's loading up, it's doing its thing. Just enough items. Now, look, we have all 5 mods loaded. It's just part of Forge. Like, that's like the whole thing. Minecraft considers itself a mod. All those consider themselves a mod. So if we go into single player, create new world, let's just do creative. So we have permissions, create new world. All right. Now we successfully have it in. See? Easy as that. Easy as pie. And then you're ready to go. And you're off to the races. However, now, if you're wanting to join the server and the community apart, so let's say, because we no longer need this, I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and I'm going to delete the config file because everything's going to be different. Delete the saves, all this stuff we're going to redelete. So, now, let's say you want what we have. So, you're going to download from here. It'll be just Kingdom RP Minecraft, or it should either be Dropbox or Google, depending on what we decide to do. So, let's say it's Dropbox. So we go here, you click on it, you click this, you click download. And once that's done downloading, all you do is you open up with WinRAR. If you do not have WinRAR, I'll have another thing in the description, and I'll show you after the video how to do WinRAR. I've got everything in here that you'll ever really need. You can either copy it all, or you can copy your own. So like, let's say configs, resource packs, shader packs, and mods. Those are all you really technically need. So right off the bat, pop that in. You will not be getting the server datas because you actually need to go ahead and talk with us on Discord. However, the Discord link will be in the description as well. So now, we have a bunch of new mods, Optifine and all. Everything should be in there. Resource packs, John Smith's Legacy, because it's the best in my opinion. We have 2 different shaders you can choose from. So, let's say you can't run shaders. Oh well, it's not going to run shaders right off the bat. So, you go to Minecraft. So from here, bada bing, just play. That's all you got to do is just click play, and you're ready to go. Or at least you should be ready right off the bat. All right. This will take a little bit because we do have a good amount of mods. We have about 40 mods. Oh, 57. Minus like 5 or 6. So, I'm going to click Enhance so we can see it a lot better. Let's go into single player. Create a new world. Let's say we do creative. We want the biomes plenty is what you want. So, from here, I usually do bonus chest on whether I'm doing creative or not. So, new world, you can name it whatever you want. Blah, 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 that. There you go. New world. Then all you got to do is click create new world, and you are ready to go. So, all these little dragons and stuff, they come with the game mode. There's a bunch everywhere. It's just how it is. You should be able to get into the server, play, hang out with us. If you need anything from me, just let me know. Or join our Discord, and you can request to join the server and actually go ahead and roleplay with the rest of us. We're always looking for new members, and if you're serious about roleplay and you like building, it is a server with high expectations, not in the sense of roleplay. We do roleplay mostly in Discord. This roleplay is not text-based, it's not anything like that. There are traders, there's kingdoms, there's people who live in kingdoms, there's guards, there's everything from A to B. Kingdoms go to war, kingdoms do all sorts of things. We have requirements for kingdoms, so people have things to do all the time. This is not a major multiplayer online thing. Not everybody's going to be online all the time. We don't require that. However, if you want more details, just pop into the Discord, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.